How to apply for promo code on Best Buy. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for promo code on Best Buy. To apply for promo code on Best Buy, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type bestbuy.com. Then press this go button at the bottom right to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Best Buy. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here tap on this cart icon at the top. Make sure you have added items on your cart. If not, you can tap on the items to add it to the cart. And once you have added it to the cart, tap on checkout option. And in this page, here scroll down and choose your pickup method. After that, you need to scroll down and here tap on this continue to payment information. Also, if you want text update from Best Buy, you need to tap on this my order, services and appointments. If not, you can just tap on continue to payment information button at the bottom. Once doing that, now you will be taken to a new page. Here, if you haven't added payment method before, you will need to enter the debit card or the credit card number along with the details of your card. And when you scroll down, you will find add gift card, store credit or discount code. Tap on this option and once you tap on it, here you will find this box where you can enter the promo code. Enter your promo code here and simply you can tap on this apply button to apply for the promo code you have entered. If the promo code is valid and has not been expired, you'll be able to apply this promo code on your product. So by following these steps, you should be able to apply for promo code on Best Buy. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.